Hey there guys, it's Adam here from adaminsights.com, and in this video I want to find out what is the speed benefit for choosing Metal versus OpenCL versus software only or CPU based rendering in Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe Media Encoder. So I'm currently using a 16-inch Apple MacBook Pro. It's been a great laptop, but there's definitely been a few teething issues since it came out in October-November 2019 with Metal and Adobe Premiere Pro. Have a look at the video that I've linked to in the description where I'm showing you exactly what these issues are. But it does seem that with the latest updates for Premiere Pro and Media Encoder in February 2020 that these issues have been fixed. So now I can truly actually make this video and find out what is the benefit of Metal versus OpenCL versus CPU rendering. Okay, a little bit of background for you. I am a creative pro and I use Adobe products for work. I am a bit of a tech head, but I'm really only interested in technology if it's going to offer me a tangible benefit, as in being able to deliver a project faster or being able to deliver a better looking project. I like to stick with technology that I know and that works, and I'm only really interested in upgrading if I know that it's going to deliver a tangible benefit for me. That's why I was a bit annoyed with the recent bugs with Metal and Adobe Premiere, but now they're fixed. Let's see if they can offer me a real benefit. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here I am in Adobe Premiere Pro, and I've set up a 4K Apple ProRes 422 sequence. It's a 25p sequence, and I've dropped in 3 clips on there to make the sequence exactly 30 seconds long. These were originally log files, and let's just have a quick look at the properties. So they're originally 4K log files shot on the Fuji X-H1, and all I've done is given them a very, very basic color correction. That's all they've had. So as you can see, that's all I've done with Lumetri. I've basically just applied the Fuji LUT. Okay. So let's go ahead and export these. Or export this sequence. So I'm just going to choose H264 and YouTube 4K. I'm going to leave that on the default VBR variable bitrate 1 pass and 40 megabit. Let's just queue this up. Alright, render up. Let's change this to software only. Okay, so this is round 1. Software only or CPU based rendering for this clip out of Premiere. So we've got a 30-second sequence. Let's see how long that 30-second long sequence takes to export. Wow. Fun fact while we're waiting for this one, Apple Final Cut Pro versions 1 through to 7 were only ever CPU based, as was the original media compressor that Apple had as well. And so all of those DV clips and HDV, Sony XD cam clips that I was editing at the time, yeah, I was exporting them with CPU based rendering. But I remember back about 2007 with an early MacBook Pro, I was able to export DV, so SD, mini DV video faster than it played out of Final Cut Pro, and I thought that was cool for the time. This is looking like it's going to take a lot longer than it plays to export. Far out. And this is CPU rendering, and the fans in this thing are spinning up to top speed. Okay, so CPU based rendering, 1 minute and 58 seconds to export a 30-second sequence out of Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so I'm just duplicating that export. Let's see how much faster this is with OpenCL. Okay, that was actually pretty good. So with OpenCL, we were able to export a sequence that is 30 seconds long in 27 seconds. Faster than it plays, a little bit. And remember, this is 4K video. So that's actually not bad. Now let's try it with Metal. "23 seconds. So that actually makes Metal 15% faster than OpenCL. So you can imagine on a big project where you've got a lot going on, that is going to save you a lot of time. I mean, I've edited some 4K clips that are only, say, 90 seconds long, but they've got a lot going on, a lot of animations, a lot of image sequences, a lot of adjustments to clips, a lot of text, all sorts. And they can take up to about an hour to export in some cases. And that's an hour when I could be doing other things. But if it's going to save me 15% of time, now I'm interested in Metal. This is really good.